Hello! Yeah, today we're in the x plus n times y day. First, let's do this one and then do this one. Paris nice int from Char problem. Ask a small girl, how old are you? She always says strange things. Let's help her. For correct answer, program should return int from 0 to 9. Assume test input string always valid. Why is this bugs? Oh, 1 year old, 5 years old. The first character is number only. So age, you just say return age and then you say 1, right? Or 0, yeah? Yeah. Oh my god, it should be integer. Fair. Data types are important. Alright, that's green. That's also green. Let's submit it and hit it and let the hitman hit it. Yeah, that's the best way to do it. Oh, this dude actually imported regular expressions, like many dudes and girls. Yeah, some people, oh my god, they made a for loop. Alright, never mind. Why did I close it? Python checkerboard. You're trying to make a checkerboard made of X's and O's. You've implemented the function before in a different language, but it just won't work. The function make checkered board creates n by n board of X's and O's. For example, this. Alright, let's train. Oh, okay. So what is the matter? What is the matter? This should equal something else. Oh my god. What a mess. What a mess. So okay. It's at least it logged it, and it did not. It is this, but it should be this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Alright, so we got only output of zeros, no X's. Oh, and I just realized it must be like checkered like this, of course. So it says line X for X in range, and then you just say board line for W in range, and then for row and for call everything turned to 0. And if this divided by 2 is 1, if this modulo 2 I guess is 1, I don't know. Nah, okay. This modulo 2 is 0. Oh, still not. Okay, I wanna get this one. So we say for every row, like row is this, and for every call this, and you say row plus call. Oh, range is n. Alright, so you say row plus call, and you say board. What the fuck? Alright, row plus call, so this is here is 0 plus 0, so 0 divided by 0 divided by 2 is 0. We're left with 0, and we want to turn that to 0. So only if this is 1. So right over here we've got 1 divided by 0. We're left with 1, and we want to turn that to 0, but it still doesn't happen. Why? I thought you... I'll say print and I'll say 0 incoming. That's some prime time debugging right over here, and it's recognizing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, it's recognizing 0 what 11 times, and so it's recognizing them the right amount of times. And if we cancel what we have just written, it should recognize them, I don't know, 25 times. Oh no, it's the same. Alright, so what if we say x over here, and every one of them is an x? So how come that there is that many of them? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's not enough for all of them, but still they are all the same. So we say line, this is line, you make x for let's just print out this line over here. So it just access and board, let's say print board, and this is the board, all fine to here. And then we say for row in range, and then so this is the range of 0 to n. Fair. Like for every row, so we're looking at it this way, and for every column in a row, and then if row plus, so if we're on the 0th row again and 0th column, oh, so let's just say print out, I guess this math works funny, so we say row equals, I know there's a walrus operator, I just don't know how to use it, so let's check, maybe it works, like Python walrus operator, pip install walrus, not that kind of one, walrus operator. Ah, so how do you use it? Easy. Oh my god. Wild chunk. Yeah, that's not helping. That ain't helping. So we say walrus Python walrus operator in an F string. Python walrus operator in an F. I know about this for about a very long time, I think. Yes, but I have never used it. Why not now? Okay. Okay. I'm not even feeling like reading all of that. Fuck it. Row, and then call equals, and then we just say call. Test it out. Test it out. You got 0, 0, 0, 1. Yo, why are there 2 times before 0 income? Yeah, I mean it's right. So why isn't it? Oh my god, I know. No, I don't know why isn't it working? Come on. Like, it recognizes it the right amount of times. So up to here everything is cool. We're returning the board. For line in board, print board. Yeah, so how come that all of a sudden all of them are 0? I don't understand that. So we can peacefully remove this and remove this, and over here just say print out this fucking board. Oh my god, I'll get demonetized by YouTube. Yeah, look, it's all is cool, man. Oh no, here is okay, it's going well. All right, just let's do it like so. Again, for line in board, let's do that over here, and comment the final one out because we're gonna see it anyways. So what oh shit. Alright, let's print out an end. Yeah, like so. Test it out. So what happens is at the first one, oh, all of the zeros here are removed, and then here, here, and there. Oh, alright, so that's what's wrong. That is what is wrong. But how are all of them, all of these over here are collected with this expression? How? So row is 0, col is 0, and you say, you take a board which is this kind of shape, and you say row specific number and col specific number, and modify that element. And how is it collecting all of them? It's collecting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them at the same time. I don't know, man, I need to go to the toilet. So I'm back. Now the thing that we're all asking is, am I stupid or something? Because I do not see why is this happening. So let us make another print statement again, and we say row is, and then we say row, and col is, and then we say col, and row plus col equals, and then we say row plus col, and we test and we run that. Row is 0 and col is 1. Alright, so 0, 1 is 1. And then we say every element. So, and then I want to print out this element. Board row col. It's X. It's always one element. But what it's doing is it's like selecting all of them. Why? Because the row like 0, 1, and then we say assign that. Oh, because they, oh my god, they're all the same. The thing is, they are all the same list. Oh bejesus. Oh bejesus. And this is a 7Q one? Wow. Unbelievable. Because they're all the freaking same. Like right now, here, line X, yeah, that is only one line. It should be lines. And what do we need to do is say we need to instantiate like n amount of lines, you know, because we're just instantiating a single one, or whatever is it called, I don't know. And it's even like, it's even for me a bit, I do not understand how it works, but I know a bit, you know. Okay. So, because right now, whatever, because whatever happens to one, it happens to all of them. They need to be like decoupled, so to say. So maybe we could say board. One board is just make another list with x for x in range of n, and we comment this out, we test it out. It's invalid syntax because we've missed. okay, let's do it again. Well, at least now it's not like wrong, you know, at least now it's not broken, and we just need to add it equals 1 or not. Look, it's all fine. So why is it saying that it should equal something else? Oh, it's the, oh my god, it's the O. Oh fuck, man. Yeah, it's O. It should be O instead of 0. Alright. Alright. The jokers. Yeah, it passed. Well, that was an interesting one. A bit of a long one. We can even cancel this out. Attempt it. And see what... like did other, I bet other people like line, and they did this. I do not understand this syntax. So let's say Python, and we enter this syntax. Yeah, nothing. It's nothing. Belly full of chicken eggs. Alright. Wow, this is an intelligent one. Of course, some Asian did it. Yeah, view profile badges, man. That's a boy or a girl, we cannot know, but he or she is 5Q, just like us. She has more honor. Alright. Wow, this is a complicated one. And those one are interesting, yeah. So let's see if there are any. Today I'm feeling like solving a 4Q, so we get to the 4. Oh my god, with 99.3. If we solve it tomorrow, we'll get to 4Q rank by solving 8 and 7Q katas. Shit. So is there any like 4Q kata that we can solve right now? Big Padovan number. Oh my god, these are really hard. Well, not that hard. Maybe if we work with strings, I'm fine with that. Strings 4Q. Strings mixed. Most frequently used word in text. Range extraction. Next bigger number with the same digit. Human readable duration format. Strip comments. Tracking pawns. This one looks interesting. Oh shit. Oh my god, it's a long kata, man. A chessboard is normally played with 16 pawns and 16 other pieces. For this kata, a variant will be played with only the pawns. All other pieces will not be on board. For information on how pawns move, refer here. I know how pawns move, I think. Write a function that can turn a list of pawn moves into a visual representation of the resulting board. Okay, a chess move will be represented by a string. Alright, and it should look like this. With, oh yeah, and it needs to be checkered. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Let's see this one. The shallowest path across the river. Why is it strings in tags, but it's actually a list? You know? Come on. Ever heard about Dijkstra's shallowest path algorithm? Well, I've heard about Dijkstra, but not shallowest path algorithm. Me neither. Ah, haha. But I can imagine what it would be. Let's Google it. Let's Google it. Oh, it's the shortest path, not the shallowest path. To cross the river, when crossing the river you can only move from a cell to one up to neighboring cells. You can start anywhere along the left river bank, but you have to stay on the map. An example of the depth. Okay, if you study these numbers you'll see that there is a path across the river from left to right, where the depth never exceeds 2. Where? Maybe here? So it says you can only move from a cell to one of the neighboring cells up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can also move backwards. Oh, so you're gonna check 1, 1, 2 and then you're over, or 1, 1, 2 and then you're over, or 2, 1, 2 and then you're over. This path can be described by the list of pairs. So it's 1, 0, so it's like 1, 0, 1, 1 and 2, 2. Oh, for real? Yeah. There are also other paths of equal maximum depth. Oh, they're maximum depth. So it's like 1, 0, you start over here, you go over here, and then you go over... Shit, you go over here. What the fuck? The pairs denote the cells on the path were first. I do not know what denote means. Each pair is how the second... Your job is to write a function shallowest path that takes a list of positive ints or array of arrays depending on language, showing the depths of the river as shown in the example above, and returns the shallowest path. The maximum depth is minimal as a list of coordinate pairs represented as tuples, pairs, arrays depending on language as described above. There are several paths that are equally shallow. The function shall return a shortest such path. All depths are given as positive integers. Alright, so it needs to like look at it and stuff like that. Well, that's interesting, but me, I don't feel like doing it. Thanks for watching, have a nice one.